Na mkugati mina akimanidi lake ni kiko ya Steve Simple Boy mena pretyvishi. Hiyo Steve Simple Boy yana huko kwao kefe lake gaba ni ugatinde keto ne pretyvishi mumita
pretyvishi yo manake
todo uyu uri oka kwa Steve ni aramenyeka na kiarenda amenyeke riu uri nake kumenyeka gwake ari arenda tumumenya na kunora
Nima.
Gutondo timoini timothaka twitikire she's not appealing.
You koroni
Simple Boy do oka kujira niko yege niko bum niko sweet
yo manake
yo manake vijana tuache mihadara.
You know, after Obina's shot, I told myself, Pretty, you need to do better. You need to love yourself more. You need to learn how to do that. I understand that this thing has been there since you are a toddler. But girl, you really, really need to change. You really, really need to love yourself, because if you don't, no one will. And then, yeah, I've been receiving hateful comments, body shaming me, calling me ugly, and I was like, okay, I know, I beg. It's okay, because even the people that were body shaming me or calling me ugly, they're more ugly than me. And I was like, because I won't abuse you, make I just rest. Yeah, until this week. I think the beginning of this week, yeah, I've been receiving a lot of taggings from this particular video, because when I didn't understand, and the comment section was not like open. People are just like, this is not good, the way you're talking, it's not okay. So then Kiengei interview, like the woman beside that person, that bishop, is giggling, is laughing, and I was like, maybe Simba. But people decided to tag me more, because they were like, maybe she's not sick, and they decided to tag me more. So I was like, make I ask my friend, what's in this man talk. So I carry the video. I don't give up to my friend. I ask him, babes, this man, they talk like this. I know you understand, yeah? Yeah, she told me I understand. And I was like, what does he mean? Because he's talking in a Kikuyu language. What does he mean? And she was like, she's body shaming you, talking this and this and this. And I was like, a whole bishop body shaming me, because I had my name and I had my ex's name. So I was like really concerned because the name. So this pastor goes ahead in that interview and said how ugly and unattractive that I am. He goes ahead and calls my ex the same, and I was like, okay, so we are that ugly. My ex, even you do try. If you can look at my eyes, literally a girl has been emotional for like 2 hours, because that's how I heal myself, and that's how I get back on track. I just cry myself out, and I cry myself to sleep sometimes. So that video got me wondering, huyu mseni bishop, okay? Bishop Ben wa GCM. You know what? We will do this because watu wengine mko kinitusi, and I'm like, these are just normal people. But you are an eye to someone. You are a father. Okay? You're like the eye of God. Okay. So he decided to put everything aside. The fact that you're a bishop, the fact that you have a family, the fact that you have a wife, the fact that you have a whole team of people behind you. You've decided to forget that. So we will do this. I will locate your church this Sunday. Yeah. And I'm coming to your church. Because you know why? I want you to tell me the same exact words. The same exact words. Kwa macho yangu hivi. And I want you to say them while you are standing boldly, boldly, I want you to stand boldly at the altar and tell me the same words in front of your members, because I mean, it's not a bad thing telling me the truth. So I want you to tell me the truth in front of your people. Yeah. So see you this Sunday, and I'm just wondering what do you teach your people? What do you teach your children? How do you see your wife? How do you see women around you? So, because I've decided to be a bigger person here, I don't want to cry in front of a camera again. I'm really trying. Yeah. So see you this Sunday. Let's have a good service. Yeah, I hope I will enjoy being in a church and you telling me. And I think I'll film it. Yeah. So that I will be playing it every day and reminding myself, no matter how hard you try, the man of God said that you're ugly, you are fat and unattractive. Yeah. And thank you for reminding me. Thank you. May the Lord that you serve and teach your members bless you.